joining me. My name is LaSheena Williams, and I am a Maryland family law attorney. My firm helps our clients take control of out-of-control domestic situations. Today, we will be discussing preparing for your custody evaluation. A custody evaluation is an evaluation ordered by the court in a case involving child custody. A custody evaluator is a court-appointed expert in your case. Typically, they are a social worker who will meet with you and your collateral witnesses, the opposing party and their collateral witnesses, and depending on the age of your children to discuss any issues going on in your case and their preference involving access and parenting time. They will also review any documents that may have been provided, including pleadings, including concerns regarding medical records or mental health records, if those are needed, and come up with a custody evaluation report for the court to review. If you have a custody evaluation ordered, it's important for you to discuss that evaluation with your attorney. It's important for you to understand what may or may not happen during that evaluation and what information should and should not be provided to the evaluator. You want to make sure that you aren't over providing information, but you also want to make sure that you are providing the appropriate amount of information as well as collateral witnesses to make sure the custody evaluator has a good synopsis of what's going on in your case. A custody evaluator typically is meant to be kind of the court's eyes into your household, into your family, and your opposing party's household. So the custody evaluator can talk with your collateral witnesses that may not be available for trial, or the court may not have time to have testify in your matter. They can review documents, including medical records, mental health records, speak with teachers, whatever is necessary for them to give a viable and well-rounded custody evaluation to the court. So it's important for you to talk with your attorney about how to make sure the information you need is presented to your custody evaluator appropriately. Custody evaluators often request documentation regarding any allegations, concerns, communication between the parents, issues that are going on in your case that are likely going to be case specific. It's important that you have available those documents for the custody evaluator so that they can ask questions or see what's going on and make an educated report at the end of their evaluation. You want to make sure that you schedule time with the evaluators when you will have access with your children. If you don't actually have a custody access schedule and you don't have a schedule where you can even see your children, it's important for you, the custody evaluator, and your co-parent to discuss when the evaluator will be able to see you and your children interacting. It's better if you have more than one visit with the evaluator and your children so that they can get a good feel for your relationship with your children and how you interact with them. Please don't coach your children. Coaching your children becomes very obvious to third-party professionals who are routinely involved in custody cases. Whether it's a best interest attorney, a custody evaluator, they will ask questions to find out if your child has been coached. And if your children are being coached, that will ultimately end up in their report, and it may negatively reflect upon you. If you have any questions about custody evaluations or any other issues regarding custody in Maryland, please feel free to give me a call at 301-778-9950 to speak with an attorney today.